Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Bhandas Bodane, BSc second year student from Arts Commerce Science College Maregaon. The title of my seminar is Application of Matrices in Real Life. So the content in my presentation is Introduction of Matrices and Uses of Matrices in Cryptography, Image Processing, Physics, Economics and Business, Geology, Robotics and Automation, and other uses. So basically, matrices was introduced by Arthur Scaly in 1858. The matrices is a Latin word which means something is formed or produced. The definition of matrix is a rectangular arrangement of number of rows and columns. You can see this example of matrices which has 3 rows and 3 columns, and the number of inside this matrix are called as entries. So the matrix is used to solving by system of linear equation. The system of equation can be basically solved using matrix method, which involves expressing the system of equation in the form of matrix and the reducing matrix to rows echelon form. For this matrix, Ax is equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix, and B is the constant matrix. So the very famous use of matrix in cryptography, the matrices can be used to encode and decode message. We could assign number 1 to 26 to the letter of alphabets and assign the number 0 in space between the word. Then we could translate any verbal message into a string of number of from 0 to 26. Then we can see below in table of each letter and its corresponding number. 1 is for A, 2 is for B, 3 is for C, and so on up to the Z, and 0 is a space. Now to encode the message, take now we a non-singular matrix A star is equal to 1 1 2 3, and then divided the words in the term of 2 cross 1 matrices. So what we'll get, the column 80 is a 120 because A is 1, T is 20. We will getting 80 is equal to 120, and so on for the other letter. Now for inscripting the message with the help of matrix A star, what we will you multiply A star, which is all this column vector. So the original 80 vector 120 is converted into 41 and 61. So the inscription is done for this column vector 80. Similarly, we do not with other column vector. So in this way, encoding of message is done in help of matrix A star. Now to decode the message with the help of matrix A star, we use inverse of matrix A star, because then we multiply the A star, this result with the A star inverse, the A star inverse into A star give the identities matrix, we get our original column vector 80. So the after multiplying A star inverse with our inscripted column vector, we will get the original column vector 80. You can see A star inverse into 41 61, we will get the original column vector 120, that is 80. Similarly, we find the other encoded values. So in this way, the decoding of this message is done with the help of inverse of matrices and encoded value. You can see that you are getting the our message attack now as a reverse after the encoding. Then next use of matrices in this image process, the digital image processing. The digital image can be manipulated using matrices, since when broken into smallest bits of information pixel, they they are matrices. Now to add the brightness in this image of constant is added to the red, green and blue value of each pixel, and for the rotation a new image can be generated by moving the rows and columns of pixel around. Now in physics, matrices are widely used in study of electrical circuit, quantum mechanics and optics. In the calculation of battery power, output, resistor, conversion of electrical energy into another useful energy, matrices play a major role in calculation in solving the problems using Kirchhoff's law of voltage and current. Matrices are essential because you will get a linear system. In this case, now in business of matrices are used to describe linear equation, keep the track of coefficient of linear transformation, and to record data that depend on multiple parameters, and this parameter can be added, multiplied, and decomposed in various way, which makes them significant. You can see here that after applying the 10% discount, you have to find the prices. You can multiply this matrix data by 0.1 and subtract from the original number. You get the product to find these prices with the 10% discount. Now in robotic and automation matrices are the base element for the robot movement. The movement of robots are programmed with the calculation of row and columns of matrices. The inputs for controlling robot movement are based on the calculation of matrices. Other uses of matrices include seismic surveys in geology. The seismic survey in one form of geophysical survey that aims at measuring the properties of earth and means of physical principles such as magnetic, electrical, thermal, and elastic theories. They are used for plotting graphs, statistic, and also to do scientific study in almost every field of matrices. In gaming and graphic design, in video game industry, matrices are major mathematic tools to construct and manipulate realistic animation of polygonal figure. For the example of matrix operation is include translation, rotation, and scaling. Other matrix transformation concept like field of view rendering, color transformation, and projection. So coming to conclude a seminar topic, matrices are used much more in daily life than people would have thought. Matrices give very compact way of putting together lot of information. Every digital image has a corresponding matrix of color and color intensities. Various mathematical operations are performed on these matrices for enhancing the corresponding image. The physics related application matrices are used in study of electrical circuit, quantum mechanics, and optics. Whereas the programming matrices are inverse matrices are used for coding and encrypting message. In robotic and automation, matrices are the basic components for the robot movement. In geology, matrices are used for making seismic surveys. In video game graphics, matrices are used for the operations such as translation, rotation, scaling, and more. So we use matrices in our daily life. Thank you.